Hand embroidery, a timeless art that weaves stories with every stitch. In a world driven by technology, this delicate craft keeps tradition alive, one thread at a time. Every stitch in embroidery tells a story, from simple running stitches to intricate French knots. Each movement of the needle brings life to the fabric. With patience and creativity, a plain piece of cloth transforms into a masterpiece. Whether it's for home decor, fashion, or personal gifts, embroidery adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness. This art form requires dedication, but the results are truly rewarding. Anyone can learn, and every stitch is a step toward mastering this beautiful craft. Hand embroidery is more than just a hobby. It's an expression of creativity and culture. So pick up your needle and thread and start your embroidery journey today.